whoa, my back hurt. I got to know. Follow me on TikTok and on Instagram Reels. Okay, I'm done being an idiot. Welcome back to another haul, and not just any haul. We're doing another MEJIWOO haul. First of all, I got dragged through the mud last time. I lost my big toe through that mud. So I just want to quickly say, I know the title says J-Hope's sister. MEJIWOO is J-Hope's sister, but I am aware that last time I caused a little bit of friction. Whoa. A lot of people thought that I was discrediting her. I just want to formally apologize to those I've offended, and if I've offended you, which I'm 1000% sure that she doesn't know who I am and can care less about who I am. She probably doesn't even know this exists. I'm aware now that she doesn't want her success to be tied with J-Hope. I'm doing a haul from MEJIWOO, created by JIWOO. Unfortunately, when I bought a lot of these things, I kept getting emails that, oh, this is out of stock. Oh no, this is out of stock. 10 items down to 7 items, which isn't too bad, but I don't have a lot of like clothing pieces to show, which I'm a little bummed about, but we're here, so we're gonna do it anyway. Okay, so this is the first piece. You looked extremely adorable in this. Dresses like this look really good on thinner frames or just smaller frames. I'm mid-size. I just wanted to point out this very obvious observation. A lot of Korean shops or Asian shops in general, we know this. Everyone's tiny, like they're small. I'm just an average mid-sized girl in America who's also Asian, so I get that pressure, but then I don't really care anymore because growing up, that was embedded into my mind, but now I don't care. Bitch, I was fronting for what? This is in a very like pickle radish color. It doesn't look like it on screen. Mustard, yellow, green infused. It looks kind of dull. And if I were to take you down a little, production here. So there's this underlayer here. It's to protect you. On top is this handkerchief type fabric. Does it have pockets? Shut up, I'm done. It is pretty long. It stops on top of my ankles. We have slits. The straps are kind of uncomfortable, honestly. This part cinches, so it feels nice that it's right under the armpits because I love having something to tuck in this gorgeous armpit belly of mine. It kind of has the same feeling when you tuck your blanket under your double chin. It feels like down the armpits. However, because I pull it up to that area of comfort, the straps are just like kind of uncomfortable. Can we talk about how this dress has no shape at all, which I kind of enjoy. I mean, it's not the most flattering. It kind of looks like I just got out of the shower. We at the beach, where you at? People with smaller frame, they don't really have to worry about looking very bunched up. And because my chesty besties kind of protrude, I look a little pregnant. I'm just saying. Imagine if there was a little cinching to this dress. Like, that would have been cute. Look at the slit though. At least you can like, the straps literally have a life of their own. Just let it live. JIWOO, if you're watching this, you look absolutely gorgeous in this dress, and I wish I could pull it off like you, but Miss Girl, I can't. So I just want to know I admire you. I'm shy. So I just went downstairs to show my sister this dress because I'm like, I think this will fit you. Then it dawned on me. You know what I look like? A color pencil. The quality, it really has the apron vibe, and
I don't cook, I don't clean.
I don't know, I have mixed feelings. I think I'm a pass. So here's the next dress, which I'm really excited about. It looks super cute. Oh my god. This should be easy peasy lemmy titties. Liar. I'm calling myself a liar. So when I bought this dress, ignore my purple underwear. I tend to be on my thing whenever I'm filming hauls. So MEJIWOO is all in Korean. So I use a third party to order for me.
Please get me the biggest size available, and if it's a one size, that's fine too.
I cannot tell you what size this is. No. Wait, are you telling me that we might actually fit this? It's still going. Oh shit. Help me.
Help me.
You know how I feel like right now? Cinderella's stepsisters when the glass shoe won't fit, but we're making it. We're almost there, right? I'm tired. Can you zip me up? Fuck. I'm gonna go downstairs and ask Cinderella to help me. Hold on. You do see like my fupa? Bottom mesh mesh again down here. The sack to hold your potatoes together. I do have some complaints. Although I love the color and the print, it's like this quiet sky blue with sparkles and specks of gold to represent the life in you that you still haven't lived yet. And it's this knitted textile that gives you a little bit of texture and roughness to your path. I love the soft V-cut here. The confidence. However, the straps are not comfortable. Like Missy girl, I think we gotta work on the straps. Sit in a weird position. I wish they would be more over here and they just kind of roll back down. Although the straps are uncomfortable, I adore the thin straps. I love that this dress complements neck bones. So if you're into neck bones, you're definitely not getting any ruche or anything, but there is like this folding here that kind of cinch the fabric here. That folding flows all the way down to the end of the dress that ends right about like the lower end of my shin. Because I do have heavy chesty besties, I look like a stuffed turkey, don't I? And I feel like it. Give and take. Like at the back, am I like a little tight? It has cute heart detail. Folds over the zipper. I even noticed the back lining of this dress. It's really pretty. Miss Homegirl wore like something underneath this dress, like a blouse or something.
Boy, if you don't...
At this rate, we can't even fit another cookie. How will we fit a shirt under this? Overall, a very classic, mature dress. And I'm just proud of myself that I can fit this. A mid-sized girl fitting into not just clothing from Korea or Asia, but MEJIWOO. Last time I checked, I couldn't even fit any of her dresses. I'm very proud of myself. Look at the skirt. Did I say skirt? I meant skirt. This is how the skirt looks like from the front. Turn it around. Oh, that's such an ugly shot. This is how the back. Let's just pump it up. Pump the entire. Okay, guys, please. I'm working. Girl! These are how the shorts look like from the back. I literally have my mom's long ass, okay? Don't frame the booty nice at all. I don't even have a booty, so that's the issue. So that's step one, right? Funky dunky. It looks like I'm a staff at summer camp and I have an apron on. Like, what do you want now, Rebecca? It looks kind of cute. Let me look at it. It hides the camo. Look. Do like that there's this little detail right here to tie it all in. Ugh, she looks great in everything. I did not understand the assignment here. There's one pocket. That's kind of cool. I'm a skirt. No, I'm a short. This would be kind of cute if I'm out golfing or if I'm washing my dishes. Do with this what you must. I mean, on the bright side, because this is a different color, it kind of makes you look a little skinty. Cut off. No, I don't have a lot of leg to spare. This would have been kind of cute. I had a long ass day today. It looks so flattering on her that I thought I could do the same, but apparently some people are more blessed. Before I go to the next piece, I obviously don't look good in this. I'm not gonna waste this. Follow me on Instagram, and when I post this on my story, DM me if you want it. You have it, Linda. I think this might redeem MEJIWOO for me. I didn't zip it yet. I feel kind of badass in this. Did I not? I kind of look badass though. I thought it'd be fun if we attempt zipping this together. It's not promising, but the grass does look greener on the other side. Easy! We got it. It is a little snug. I mean, if you can tell, like, look at it. Okay, so this is a two-piece set, which you'll have to purchase separately on its own. Look at us. Now I literally look monotone. I kind of dig it. This is quite long that it literally looks like I lost all arms. Gotta do what you gotta do. Does this give me a long-ass day as well? Yes. I kind of look like I work for the post office. For this little suitor, it feels like it has a blend of denim. There is quality to this. I think this was part of her handmade collection. Same for the trouser. Given that I'm only 5 feet, this isn't horrible because I can still see my feet. Has pockets with foldings that kind of looks like it's cinching in your waist, blooming out the bottom of you to give you more of a shape because God knows, I feel like a businesswoman. A bitch who has her shit together. I don't. A bitch who knows what she's doing. I'm always confused. A bitch who talks like it all. I'm too scared to ask questions. Get my drift? It gives me boxy, masculine shoulders, but I kind of feel like it fits because everything ties in together. I don't look too triangle-esque. With the trousers having this cinch, or, you know, honestly, maybe it's just too tight on me. It ties me in a little bit more at my waist with the flare out of the legs because they are wide-legged. I kind of look like a car mechanic too, don't I? I'm quite impressed, and I will be wearing this out more often than never. Okay, so that's it for the clothing pieces. Dude, I am so excited for these earrings. Okay, so poke this through your ear. You take this part and you hook it on. Just adjust it to your liking. I think she wore it more upward. It's like a girly, edgy look. Okay, I'm just gonna keep that in. I'm realizing how much I'm into jewelry nowadays. I got this gold heart pearl necklace. Hopefully fits around my neck. Cute. I love the pearl accent to this necklace. It gives a very soft look. Sometimes the double chin comes out when you wear a choker. I don't know if you can relate. I'm gonna keep it on. These shoes! I swear she wears it in almost all her photos. I don't own any shoe with this kind of textile. These shoes are like ripped. Even the strap, if you can tell, has the same pattern. I love my 1-inch small heels. That's a little thicker, so it kind of gives you more support. You can literally see the cushion bulging, so hopefully it's comfy. They're so cute. They're so flattering, except my feet are so wide. I'm obsessed. I hope you guys enjoyed this MEJIWOO haul. I'm a huge fan of K-style clothes, so if you guys have any shops you guys want me to try, please let me know. And also follow me on Instagram because I'm definitely giving away that skirt score. Until the next haul, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you try